Hello viewers, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you are good. Returning subscribers, thank you for tuning back. And if you're new in this channel, please view my videos, like, share and subscribe. So guys, today I have this video. I'm back with this video and I'm going to make some Nile Perch sauce and I'm going to serve with ugali. So guys, just view this video till the end. Please don't skip the ads. Keep tuned as we go. So people, this is the Nile Perch that I just fresh. This is Nile Perch from the lake. It is fresh. I've just deep fried it, and now I'm going to make a sauce for it. So guys, keep tuned. The ingredients that I'm going to use: I have vegetable cooking oil, I have salt to taste, I have ginger and garlic, I have turmeric, I have my red onions here, and tomato paste. So guys, and some 3 tomatoes. So keep tuned and let's go. I've just placed my pan to heat and I'm going to add my vegetable oil. So just put just enough to make sure your oil cooks well. Then after that, I'll add my red onions. Let my red onions cook. So keep tuned guys. It has become translucent, so I'm going to add ginger and garlic. And now I'll give it a good mix. Ooh, guys, the aroma. I love the aroma of the garlic, ginger and red onions. So guys, as it cooks, I'm just going to add tomato paste to it and give tomato paste a mix as well. Make sure the tomato paste cooks well with ginger and the garlic. After this now, I'll add my blended tomatoes. I have just blended my tomatoes and now let it mix well. Mix well. So guys, just look at my paste. Look, see how attractive it is. So guys, I'll let this paste cook well. I'll just put little salt. Since the time I was deep frying this Nile Perch, I had used some salt. So at this point again, now this is the time to add spices, and I'm not going to use so much spices. I'll only use turmeric and give it a good mix as well. Then I'll just cover it to allow all the spices and the ingredients to cook well. So guys, keep tuned as it goes. Back to my sauce guys. You can see it has just cooked for some minutes. I'm just going to add some water for that. Just little. If you want a thick sauce, don't add so much water, because even this fish had already been deep fried, so we don't need so much of the sauce. So guys, look at the consistency of the sauce. So keep tuned guys. After this now guys, I'm going to cover it again, once again, to let it boil, and then I'll add in my Nile Perch fish. Just to add in a deep fried Nile Perch. So guys, after putting it here there now guys, you let it cook for about 30 minutes. So keep tuned as we do. Looking so attractive, and the aroma. My fish Nile Perch is ready. It's ready, and now I just want to serve it. Keep tuned guys. fish is ready, guys. Let me just taste it as I wait for my ugali to be done, so you can see. So nice. Please guys, give this video like, share and subscribe. Give my video a thumbs up. Thank you for watching. Let's meet on another video. Bye bye.